Let's see how to connect OnePlus Nord Buds to our laptop. The first method. If this method does not work on your computer, then go to the second method. Second method. If the Bluetooth device is not visible on your laptop. This is a touch screen button. You need to reset the Bluetooth headphones by pressing the button like this. Now do this process on both headphones. First, tap once, then tap for 10 seconds at a time. Now Bluetooth device is showing up on your laptop. Now connect Bluetooth device and enjoy.